So let's have a look now at moving through our project drawings. You can see there the drawing name, moving through project drawings. I need to add that to our current project. So as usual, it's a right click over the project name and add active drawing. Do I want to apply the project default values? Yes, I do. So I'll add that, and as usual, you can see there, look, it's taken on board the last drawing sheet number there, 07. So it's a right click, properties, drawing properties. Let's check that we've got everything in there, main section. It's a good habit to get into. And make sure that your sheet number is obviously 08 rather than 07. So I OK that, it updates, and as you can see now, my project looks nice and neat and tidy. Now, as I mentioned previously, I don't have much real estate right now to move around my project drawings. So I'm just going to change the display configuration here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep the sheet number there and the file name, but the drawing description I'm actually going to remove, like so. And then I'm going to OK that. Just makes my life a little bit easier. I can make the project manager a little bit smaller by going to that little icon there, just drag that across a bit like that. Just gives me a little bit more screen real estate. Now, what I love about this is I can actually now just open up my 01 project files drawing. So I can click on it like that. I can right click and I can open, or even quicker still, if I just click away from it and double click on it, that'll open up that drawing. So you can see there now, look, I'm in project files at the top and there's project files there in my project manager. Now, quick access toolbar. Do you all remember that one? It's at the top of the screen here. So, go here, previous project drawing or next project drawing. I've also got the surfer. I'll cover him in a moment. He's not the Silver Surfer from Fantastic Four fame, I hasten to add. But what we've got here is just basically a navigation tool. So I've also got it here, you'll notice, on Other Tools, on the Project tab on the ribbon. Previous drawing, next drawing. So I can use those arrows there, or I can use those arrows there. Doesn't matter which. So, next drawing, click, takes me to 02 Project Manager. Click on next drawing again. 03 now, project drawing list, and I can just keep clicking away there, works through, and you'll see each drawing opens. Can you see that? Look at the name change at the top of the screen. Each drawing is there. And then I get down to the last one, moving through project drawings again, which is where I was when I started. Now I can go back, previous drawing, and it toggles through again. So I can do this any which way I want to. Backwards or forwards, doesn't matter which, as you can see. And that takes me all the way back to the beginning. Now I want 08 open again, so I double click on it like so. And there it is, moving through project drawings, quick and easy. Now obviously you can slide up and down here, and the other thing you can do, look, there's some arrows there as well. If I just move that down a bit, that actually makes my project manager so much easier to read, doesn't it? Because I can see the projects more clearly. So, who's this surfer guy? What does he do? Well, let's open up the surfer and see what happens. Surfer is here, again on the Other Tools panel on the Project tab. He's also here. So I can implement the surfer anytime I like. Now, if I click there or there, doesn't matter which. But you'll notice, look, if I click on the down arrow, I've got surfer, continue surfer. So he will continue surfing the previous selection list. You don't get that one up here. You just get the surfer one. So if I click on surfer now, it'll say select tag for surfer trace or enter to type it. Now we don't know about tags yet. We haven't covered those. So what I'm going to do is just pick an object. That's already tagged. You can see there it says -K2 or -K2 there. If I click on that, it shows me the incidences of that K2 reference, that tag. So basically all that tag is an attribute to an AutoCAD block. But it shows me all of the incidences of it in each drawing. So I've got them there, gives me a type, a sheet reference, installation location. We'll look at all that later, but that's the important bit, the sheet reference. 01 and it's 8, yeah? So if I now go there and I want to zoom in on that, it'll zoom me in, or will it?